Hey guys! Ever felt awkward speaking English? These 5 phrases will change everything. Stay till the end for a bonus tip that will make you sound like a native speaker. First up, what's up? This is how cool people say hi. Quick example, what's up? Not much, just chilling. Try saying it with me. What's up? Next phrase, no worries. Perfect when someone says sorry. Watch this. Sorry I'm late. No worries. Your turn. Repeat after me. Check this out. Could you give me a hand? Need help? This is your go-to phrase. Real situation. Could you give me a hand with these bags? Sure. Here's a pro tip. I'm on it. When your boss needs something done, can you send that email? I'm on it. Practice time. Say it with confidence. And my favorite, that's awesome. When good things happen, I got an A on my test. That's awesome. Quick challenge. Pause the video and create your own dialogue using these phrases. Bonus tip. Combine these phrases in daily conversations. What's up? Could you give me a hand? No worries, I'm on it. These 5 phrases will make you sound like a pro. Try them today. Want more English secrets? Hit that subscribe button. Next video will be even better. We'll learn phrases that even native speakers sometimes get wrong. See you next time.